Welcome all, I am Ardra S. Kumar. IT Individual Project. In this presentation, I am looking into the topic Situations of Economic Sectors Before and After COVID 19. Certificate. Acknowledgement. Moving on to the introduction. The COVID 19 recession is an economic recession happening across the world economy. The outbreak of COVID 19 brought social and economic life to a standstill. The pandemic has had far reaching economic consequences behind the spread of the diseases itself and efforts to quarantine it. Almost all the sectors have been adversely affected as domestic demand and export sharply plummeted with some notable expectations where high growth was observed. The impact of the contraction will vary across sectors, states, even social groups. In this presentation, mainly focus on 5 sectors such as agriculture, education, transportation, IT, and construction. Agriculture. This sector remains a central pillar of the Indian economy. This sector saves the food needs of the whole country while also placing among the top exports of agriculture producers in the world. Agricultural growth reduces poverty directly by raising farm incomes and indirectly through generating employment and reducing food prices. In other words, a thriving agriculture sector is a boon for most sectors of the Indian economy. The sector has been facing its share of challenges in recent years due to COVID 19. Now let's move to the comparison of agriculture sector before and after COVID 19. Before COVID 19. Here we can see that 44 to 80% of country's workforce is employed on agriculture. So it's clear that it provides large employment opportunities and it contributes about 60.36% to GDP during 2017 and 18. And there are more workers in the field of agriculture which results in more yield and there is a good availability of fertilizers and large domestic demand. And now we can look at the drastic change of situation of agriculture after COVID 19. Here we can see that there is a large fertilizer shortage due to global trade disturbance, so that the farmers are facing shortage of agriculture inputs. Labor shortage due to lack of health service which resulted in bad harvest. And there is a large fall in prices and impact on food and food security due to reduction in income and purchasing capacity. And now we can see a drastic change of contribution to GDP after COVID 19. Agriculture sector has contributed only 15.96% to GDP after COVID 19 pandemic. So it's clear that how badly the pandemic has affected the sector. And here is the graphical representation of impact of COVID 19 on agriculture sector. Now let's move on to the second sector, that is transportation sector. The transportation and logistic industry performs one of the most vital services of the modern globalized and interconnected world. This large industry includes a wide variety of organizations such as travel airlines, railways and cruise lines, municipal transportation companies, freight railways, cargo trucking, and air and express delivery services. Transportation sector has been one of the primary victims of COVID 19. And here is the situation of transportation sector before and after COVID 19. Before COVID 19. Before COVID 19, the transportation sector provides a large job opportunities and there are many entrepreneurs who own private owned vehicles and there is a large number of passengers, about 70 million passengers through road transport, 3 million through freight and 10 million through rails. And now we can look at the situation after COVID 19. The passengers numbers fell drastically due to COVID-19 protocol measures. So it leads to large financial losses and a large number of people lost job. In the previous slide, we look at number of passengers through each transport ways, and now it decreased into about only 40 million passengers through public transport, 2 million through freight, and only 0.75 million passengers through rails. And we can see that COVID-19 had made a negative impact on transportation sector. And here is the graphical representation of COVID-19 impact on transportation sector. Now we are moving on to the third sector, which is one of the most important sector in an economy, that is education sector. The COVID-19 has significantly disrupted the education sector, which is a critical determinant of the country's future. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a major impact on education sector, both negative and positive. Now let's look at the comparison of situation of education sector before and after COVID-19. Before COVID-19. Before COVID-19, the classes are offline, that is in the school, and this is more interactive classes because the teacher is directly taking class and it leads to more interactive classes. High learning skills and they enjoy their schooling. And we can see that after COVID-19, the education sector has completely changed. There are both negative and positive impact. Negative impact. Passive learning by students. The students shift to online learning without any planning, especially in countries like India, where the backbone for online learning was not ready and the curriculum was not designed for such a format. And this created the risk of most of our students and teachers. Changing format of student requirement. That is, universities and colleges worldwide are facing a major risk in the area of student recruitment and retention. Sluggish cross-borders movement of students. Universities in many countries such as Australia, UK, New Zealand and Canada are highly dependent on the movement of students from China and India. And the last one is lost schooling. The students lost their schooling time with their friends, enjoyment and many more activities. Now the positive impacts include rise in blended learning. That is, universities and colleges will shift to a model of blended learning where both face-to-face delivery along with an online model will become a norm. This will require all teachers to become more technology savvy and go through some training to bring themselves to the level that would be required. And the second one is learning management systems in the new norm. A great opportunity will open up for those companies that have been developing and strengthening learning management system for use. And the third one is improvement in learning material. There is a great opportunity for universities and colleges to start improve the quality of the learning material that is used in the teaching and learning process. And the last one is rise in collaborative work. The teaching community to a large extent has been very insulated and more so in a country like India, there is a new opportunity where collaborative teaching and learning can take on new forms and can be even be monetized. So these are the positive and negative impacts of COVID-19 on education sector. And here is the graphical representation of COVID-19 impact on global education. Now let's move to the fourth sector, that is the IT sector or information technology sector. The information technology and enabled services has been one of the key driving force fueling the world's economic growth. The IT sector includes IT services, business process, management, software products and engineering services and hardware. The pandemic has caused drastic changes in many industries and information technology. That is, IT industry is the major among them. And here is the comparison of IT sector before and after COVID-19. Before COVID-19. Before COVID-19, there's a less use of IT sector in agriculture, banking, education, market, etc. These technologies are specially used in only business and construction sector, and it has contributed only less than 5% to GDP before 5 years. And about only 1 million people are using technology. And after COVID-19, the situation completely changed and it resulted a good impact on IT sector, like increased use of IT sector, digital transformation of the world, cloud services are now in demand, telehealth used in hospitality, enterprise virtual reality, remote learning technology, virtual fitness and gyms, online grocery, and now there we can see a drastic increase of users in technology, that is 4 million from 1 million users. And now let's look at the graphical representation of impact of COVID-19 on IT sector. Moving on to the last and fifth sector of this presentation, that is construction sector. The construction industry in India is the second largest employer after agriculture and is therefore critical to the country's economy. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the construction sector. And let's look at the comparison of situation of construction sector before and after COVID-19. Before COVID-19, there is a large employment opportunity in this sector, personalized sales experience, improvement governments of projects contributes about 2,594.49 billion to GDP. And after COVID-19, it has completely changed. That results in unfinished projects due to lack of capital, labor shortage, unemployment, which leads to financial problem, availability of resource, loss of job to migrant workers, transportation problem. And after COVID-19, it had contributed only about 1,307.5 million to GDP. And it is clear that how badly the COVID-19 affected on construction sector. And here is the graphical representation of impact of COVID-19 on construction sector. Now let me conclude this presentation. The COVID-19 is changing the world we live in for the worse, and almost all parts of the world are stuck with hung economics. The pandemic have made impact on almost all the sectors of the economy other than mentioned in this slide, such as tourism, health, gold, service, manufacturing, etc. We can hope for the best and let's pray for a better future. And here are some reference links. Burning issue COVID-19 and its impact on agriculture. Impact of COVID-19 on Indian transportation and freight industry. COVID-19 assessment economic impact construction sector. Industries tech shaping world post-COVID. And that's the end of the presentation. Thank you all.